Top 12 car gadgets on Amazon you need. Cars aren't just about getting from point A to point B anymore. They're hubs of technology, convenience, and style. Whether you're commuting, embarking on a road trip, or simply keeping your car in top shape, these gadgets are here to revolutionize your driving experience. From ensuring safety and organization to adding a layer of luxury, the market is brimming with next-level car gadgets you can find on Amazon. Telefy Steering Wheel Lock. Security is a top priority for car owners, and the Telefy Steering Wheel Lock offers peace of mind like no other. This robust lock is designed to deter theft by immobilizing your steering wheel, making it nearly impossible for potential thieves to drive away with your car. Its heavy-duty construction is tamper-resistant and built to withstand extreme force. The lock also doubles as a self-defense tool, thanks to its durable design. Easy to install and adjust, it fits a wide range of steering wheels, ensuring compatibility with most vehicles. With the Telefy Steering Wheel Lock, you're not just investing in security, you're investing in a reliable protector for your peace of mind. 360 degrees dash cam. Capture every moment on the road with the 360 degrees dash cam, a game changer in vehicle safety and recording. This innovative device provides a complete panoramic view, ensuring nothing escapes its lens. Whether it's an unexpected accident or a breathtaking landscape, this dash cam has you covered. Equipped with night vision and motion detection, it performs well in all conditions, delivering crystal clear footage. The user-friendly interface and seamless setup make it perfect for drivers of all tech skill levels. With the 360 degrees dash cam, you're not just recording, you're ensuring safety, accountability, and peace of mind on every drive. 70mm Dashcam M300. Sleek, compact, and incredibly efficient, the 70mm Dashcam M300 is the ideal companion for capturing your journeys. Its high-resolution video quality ensures every detail is recorded, while the ultra-wide-angle lens captures more of the road. It's perfect for documenting scenic drives or providing evidence in case of incidents. This dash cam stands out with its advanced parking mode, which monitors your car even when parked. The built-in app connectivity allows for easy video transfer and real-time playback. The 70mm Dashcam M300 is a perfect blend of functionality, convenience, and cutting-edge technology. P12 Pro 4K Mirror Dashcam. Take your car's rear-view capabilities to the next level with the P12 Pro 4K Mirror Dashcam. This dual-function device acts as a full-screen rearview mirror and a 4K dashcam, offering crystal-clear visuals for both the road ahead and behind. The touchscreen interface is intuitive and responsive, allowing you to adjust settings with ease. Its parking assistance feature makes reversing safer and more accurate. Whether you're navigating tight spaces or recording your road trip, the P12 Pro 4K Mirror Dashcam is an indispensable tool for modern drivers. Vantrue N4 Pro 3-channel 4K Wi-Fi Dashcam. The Vantrue N4 Pro Dashcam redefines vehicle surveillance with its 3-channel recording capability. Covering the front, rear, and interior, it provides a comprehensive view of your car, making it ideal for rideshare drivers, families, or anyone who values safety. With its 4K Ultra HD resolution, the footage is exceptionally clear, even in low light. The Wi-Fi connectivity allows for easy file transfer and remote monitoring. Its sleek design and advanced features make it a standout choice for those who want all-around protection and recording. Joytutus Sun Visor for car. The Joytutus Sun Visor is the ultimate upgrade for driving in bright conditions. Designed to block harmful UV rays and reduce glare, this visor enhances visibility and comfort, especially during sunrise or sunset drives. Its universal fit ensures compatibility with most vehicles. What sets it apart is its dual-layer design, featuring a dark shade for direct sunlight and a clear anti-glare panel for nighttime driving. Easy to install and adjust, it's a practical solution to make your journeys safer and more pleasant. With the Joytutus Sun Visor, every drive feels like a smooth ride. Power Step Plug. The Power Step Plug is a lifesaver for anyone who needs additional power sources on the go. This portable power inverter converts your car's DC outlet into an AC plug, allowing you to charge or use devices like laptops, cameras, and small appliances while on the road. Compact and efficient, it features multiple ports for simultaneous charging and built-in safety features like over-voltage protection. Whether you're road tripping or working remotely from your car, the Power Step plug ensures you never run out of power when you need it most. Giant Loop Armadillo Bag. The Giant Loop Armadillo Bag is a revolutionary solution for carrying extra fuel safely and conveniently. Made from durable, puncture-resistant material, this collapsible fuel bag is perfect for long road trips, off-roading adventures, or emergencies. When empty, the Armadillo bag folds compactly for easy storage. Its secure cap and spout design prevent leaks and make pouring fuel effortless. Whether you're exploring remote areas or ensuring you never run out of gas, this innovative bag is a must-have for adventurers. Camco No Insect RV Bumper Cap. The Camco No Insect RV Bumper Cap is a small but mighty gadget for RV owners. It keeps insects and debris out of your RV's bumper storage while providing a secure seal. The built-in screw attachment ensures it stays firmly in place during travel. This cap also features a vented design, preventing moisture buildup and protecting stored items. Durable and easy to install, it's a simple yet effective solution for maintaining your RV's functionality and cleanliness. U.S. Cargo Control L-Track Tie-Down System. The U.S. Cargo Control L-Track Tie-Down System is a versatile solution for securing cargo in your car, truck, or trailer. Its heavy-duty aluminum tracks and adjustable tie-down points ensure your items stay in place during transit, no matter the terrain. Designed for maximum flexibility, this system allows you to customize your setup for different loads. It's perfect for securing everything from furniture to outdoor gear. Durable and reliable, the L-Track tie-down system is a must-have for anyone who values safe and efficient transportation. Weighty 3-in-1 Wireless Charger. Keep your devices powered up with the Weighty 3-in-1 Wireless Charger. Designed for modern drivers, this charger allows you to charge your phone, smartwatch, and earbuds simultaneously, eliminating the hassle of tangled cables. Its sleek design fits seamlessly in your car's interior, while the fast charging capability ensures your devices are ready to go when you are. Whether you're on a long commute or road trip, the Weighty 3-in-1 Wireless Charger keeps your tech organized and fully charged. This fast 3-in-1 wireless charger station for Apple is equipped with multiple protection mechanisms like over-current protection, over-voltage protection, over-temperature protection, and foreign object detection function to keep your devices in tip-top shape. R8 Tire Inflator. Flat tires are no match for the R8 Tire Inflator, a portable and powerful solution for on-the-go emergencies. This compact device quickly inflates your tires to the desired pressure, ensuring you're back on the road in no time. The R8 Tire Inflator features an easy-to-read digital display and preset pressure settings for convenience. Its lightweight design and built-in LED light make it perfect for nighttime use or storage in tight spaces. Reliable and efficient, this gadget is a lifesaver for drivers everywhere. The advanced chip ensures safe inflation with accurate pressure control and monitoring. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to convenience with our user-friendly car tire inflator. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.